Hey guys, Trevor here with Detailed Solutions. I'm here today to talk to you about this 2020 Chevrolet Corvette C8 Z51 Performance Pack in Blade Silver. This is actually pretty unique. This is the first Corvette that has been produced in a mid-engine configuration. First time in the long history of Corvettes. There's been many concept cars, but this is the first to actually make it into production. Still retains the 6.2 liter small block V8, specifically the LT2. With the Z51 Performance Pack, it produces 495 horsepower, 470 pound-feet of torque, accelerating from 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. That's as fast as a Ferrari 488 Pista, Ferrari 812 Superfast, even a Porsche 911 991.2 GT3 RS. Other things you get with the Z51 Performance Pack is a splitter, the rear wing, you've got upgraded brakes and Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Some pretty cool stuff. The other things I really like about the Corvette, it comes with a Targa top as standard, and it retains the hidden infotainment storage compartment that was in the C7, as well as a track video recording function. So let's talk about some of the things that was done to this car. When the car was received, we washed it, the paint was decontaminated and corrected, and then a full XPEL paint protection film was applied to the entire vehicle, followed up with a Nano Solutions ceramic coating, making this car look a hell of a lot better than it did when it left the factory floor. If this is something you're interested in protecting your car both for on and off the track, get your car protected at Detailed Solutions.